What's good, traders? In today's video, I'm going to show you one trend line strategy that's going to change the game for you. And if that is what you want and you're trading synthetic markets, stay glued to this channel, stay glued to this video. You're about to experience the game change. I'm not going to say it's a holy grail, but then, guys, you never can tell what you find out. Let's dive right into the chart.
So firstly, I'm going to connect my major lows in the market. So this is me connecting my major lows. Make sure you connect them properly, the major lows. So I'm doing this on a 15 minutes time frame. Price is fractal. Depending on the market you're looking out for, you can also do the same. So here you see, while I've connected it, you could see price keep creating what higher highs. I will use the arrow for, let's say, for the support. Yeah, the support price bounced on, and I'm gonna use the other arrow for the highs of the support. So this is the high of the low, right? Yeah, this is the low where the price bounce on the trend line, and here is where price bounce onwards the next support. So I keep putting the arrows to show the area where price bounce on the trend line. So I'm going to show you the few tricks I use in actually mapping out these things. I want to see where price will fail to create more highs while it's bouncing on this trend line. So that's what I'm trying to actually bring to understand. You see that each time price bounce on the trend line, it creates more highs, showing us that way. I see up on this market. See, it keeps creating more highs. It keeps creating more highs. Bounce on the trend line, it creates more high than the previous high it created before, which tells us what, that we are still on what, an upward direction. So good. So I'm going to show you what's going to happen at this level. Price bounced the fourth time, but it wasn't able to create a high that is higher than the previous high, and this is where my attention is startled. This is where I pay most attention to, right? So this is what I call failure to swing high. Yeah, failure to swing new high. So right here, I want to see if price is going to break the trend line from there. So once I get that break of trend line from this level, the next thing I'm going to do is what, to wait for price to return back for a retest. So now support is going to turn to a resistance, and there I am looking forward to sell from that level. So this boom 1000, I'm actually holding a trade. I held a trade on this market, and I think I'm going to show you guys. So basically my take profit is always at the origin of the trend line. So most people call it trend liquidity. Yeah, but this is how I actually trade this, and I've seen most times no strategy is 100% accurate, but this gives a very good win rates when you see them occur. Out of 100, you could get 70, 80, which is to say a very good win. So you could add this to your strategy and make good money for yourself. The risk to reward is very nice, right? Yes, this is a very good trade setup. Yeah, it's really a very good trade setup.